Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram uploads on Instagram are just extremely bad quality, and you may be trying to figure out how to fix that. Well, the reason why this may be happening for the most part is basically due to possibly the photos that before you even go and upload them, maybe those are in bad quality in the first place. So what you can try doing is you can try going inside of your actual Photos application of your iPhone or Android, and you want to take a look at those specific photos. You want to see how good quality those photos are beforehand, and you do have to remember that Instagram will pretty much almost always, dim down the quality of your uploads they'll just compress them like crazy. So you want to make sure they're of high quality before they even go get processed through Instagram. If they're already in really bad quality via your, Photos application, well, they're probably going to be really bad quality when they upload to Instagram. So that's the first thing. Make sure it's as good a quality as possible. You can also try going through and editing the photos before and making them higher quality before, editing filters, making them brighter before you actually go ahead and update them to Instagram. Now, another thing you can do within Instagram, the application itself, is by actually going through and making sure Instagram is up to date. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to your actual app store, and you want to go ahead and type in Instagram, just like so, and you want to make sure Instagram is up to date. If you're on a very outdated version of Instagram, there can be a lot of issues within this app. So you want to go and click update, and the application should go ahead and update by itself. And 9 times out of 10, this will pretty much help you at least kind of relieve the issue of why the Instagram upload was so bad. Now, let's say you go ahead and update the application and it's still not working, or it's not processing the photos properly. And let's say for some reason the photos are still in really bad quality. Well, pretty much the only other thing you can do for the most part is try uploading a different photo for the time being and seeing if the photos look any better. There can still be a lot of times where the photos may not look that great, but most of the time they're due to the photos not looking good in the beginning with. So do keep that in mind if they're photos or videos. You may just want to go ahead and upscale the resolutions of those temporarily because Instagram is going to compress them anyway. So if there's screenshots of these types of photos and you're just uploading them, well, the more people who screenshot them, the more it's going to be grainy if you're uploading it. So that's another thing to keep in mind as well. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions or thoughts, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.